Hey there, welcome to Chow Time. I am Spike Spencer. This is my kitchen, and today we're going to be making ice cream in a flash. That's right. No ice cream machine. Nothing but a blender and a few ingredients. Check this out. I'm going to do a special shout out to Spicy Mustache. He turned me on to this, and love that guy. He doesn't know me. He has no idea who the hell I am. But I tried it a couple times, doing some different things, tweaked it, did some other things. It's fantastic. It's a way to make ice cream quickly. So here it is. You need a can of coconut milk. A can of coconut milk, full coconut milk. No light crap. And you're going to take that, and you're going to mix that in a blender with a couple other things. Let's say for this one, I'm going to do a banana. So a banana here. I did another, what did I do the first? Oh, I did berry, if you know the berry sauce that I made in another recipe. We got a lot of blackberries here this year. So I took the blackberry sauce, made it a sweet sauce, and threw that in. And so that was great. So I'm throwing a banana in the blender. I'm going to take this can of coconut milk. I'm going to throw this in a blender. This really could be like a short, but I ran into some issues and I wanted to share those with you so you can see what I'm talking about. There's some ways to get around the issues, and I will show that to you. All right, so we have coconut milk, a banana. I'm going to throw in some cinnamon because I just think that'd be awesome. And then I'm going to throw in maple syrup, baby. Maple syrup. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Throw in some maple syrup. You want some flavor. I love maple syrup. Maple syrup, honey, so good. I'll throw molasses in there too. Okay, those are the things. Now, the one thing that I found, this you could stop right there. You could really just use maple, banana, and the coconut. I'm going to throw in a little bit of whipping cream. I just found that it was the texture. I only threw in like a quarter of a cup there. Just a little. I just want to see if I can change that texture a little bit because it's a nice texture, but it's not creamy as ice cream. It's got a little bit of different texture to it. So let's blend that up. There we go. Nice and slow. Get it started. And then we crank it up slowly. There we go. Get all that goodness in there. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Now this is something, the kids want ice cream and you want it healthy. You know what's going in there. Organic, it's all good. So I know what's happening here. There we go. I think that's probably enough. Let's make sure. Okay. We're done. I kid you not. But here's what you do. I would say take a little taste. And remember, oh, that is freaking gorgeous. Now remember, that sweetness that I'm tasting here, it's excellent. Once you freeze it, you're going to lose some of that sweetness. So I'm going to make it a little bit extra sweet. I mean, you know, who can't do with a little extra maple syrup? Tell me, who? There we go. You can use anything. I mean, seriously. Once you start playing with this, you're going to be like, oh my God. And the kids are going to love this. They absolutely love this. Okay, so I pour this out in some trays. The kind of tray does not matter because you're going to pop it in the freezer. And this is where I ran into the issues, is once I did all these and threw them in the freezer, it was like, okay. And then I forgot about them. I'm like, oh no. Because, you know, I'm a dad. I have things to do. I'm running around. I'm trying to make this stuff that's easy so that I can go do other things. I can have this at the ready. And it is at the ready. But the problem with this is once you freeze it, now you've got the issue of making it creamy again. And that was where I fell into my little trouble. And I started working with a couple things, which I'm going to share with you now. Because what's going to happen with these is next, I'm going to take these, pop it down like that so you can get rid of some of those bubbles. That's always a good thing. Then again, at the end, the bubbles don't hurt you. I'll put that over here. Those are going to go into the freezer. Now, ideally, you'd freeze it for a few hours and you're good to go. And then you come back and you pop it in the blender. Now, here's what I did. So, I took them out very hard, right? Let me show you what happens when you pop those in the blender. So, you take these, a couple of these, right there. Well, we pop those in the blender and it's... So you gotta get them down. It's not gonna be as creamy when you do it this way, right? And then it gets stuck, like that. Like that. See what I'm talking about? Now, so you take that, and that's all blended. And that's nice. So that comes out. You can get all of that out of there. Dig it all out. And now what you've got a kind of ice cream here. It looks a little bit like that astronaut ice cream. So it's not really creamy. But what you can do here, you can do a couple things. One, eat it. Oh, this is good. So nice. You can take it and mash it. Which is what I did the other night. I mashed it down. Now I've mashed it all, so it's now got more creaminess to it. I could even let it kind of thaw out a little more and then put it back in the freezer, which I will be doing. But now that I've worked with it a little bit, I'm going to take this. So if somebody wants some ice cream, you can work it to a bowl. There you go. Nice little thing there. Bam. It's not the most beautiful scoop I've ever done, but it is ice cream. And now with this, I'll probably take a little bit of cinnamon. I hope that's not cayenne, but do cayenne. That'll be fun. I love it. Okay, there. Ah, perfect. Now, you can put a little bit of maple syrup on here, a little bit of honey, whatever. It's all good ingredients, and it took me how long? If you throw it all in the blender, throw it in the freezer, leave it a few hours, you might be able to blend it easier. Now I've got this big bowl of all these chunks, so once that melts down a little, I'll just take my masher, mash it all up, scoop it all up, put it in something, put it in the freezer, good to go. There you have it, ice cream in a flash. It's really good. My family loves it, and so I hope you do too. Thank you so much for coming to Chow Time. I'm Spike Spencer. Let's eat.